Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the system settings, then go to the backup and reset phone, select the last option, erase all data, then tap erase data, then once again, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.